class. Dear students, in last class we had discussed about the topic quadratic equation, and also we were solving some problems of exercise 4.3. Today I am going to start new topic, nature of roots. Dear students, firstly let's quickly recap what we have done in previous or last class. Dear students, in last class some topics explained, such as what is quadratic equation. The equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. And also discuss about solution of quadratic equation. Three method solution of quadratic equation. First, factorization method. Second, completing the square method. And third, quadratic formula. Dear students, roots of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a, where b square minus 4ac is discriminant. Now I am going to start new topic, nature of roots. Here says the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 are given by x equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, that is equal to minus b plus minus root d by 2a, and d equal to b square minus 4ac, and d is known as discriminant. A quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c equal to 0 has three natures. First, two distinct real roots if discriminant greater than 0, that is discriminant greater than 0, b square minus 4ac greater than 0. Second nature, two equal real roots if b square minus 4ac equal to 0, that is d equal to 0. And third, no real roots if b square minus 4ac less than 0, that is d less than 0. In nature, first, two distinct real roots if d greater than 0, two equal real roots if d equal to 0, no real roots d less than 0, where d is discriminant b square minus 4ac. So, again repeat about nature of roots. A quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is mainly three natures of roots. First, two distinct real roots if d greater than 0, two equal roots d less than 0, equal to 0, no real roots d less than 0. So, these are nature of roots, and I am going to start exercise 4.4. So, let us move towards the topic. Your first question, find the nature of roots. If the real roots exist, find them. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0, which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The given equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 5. First you find discriminant. Discriminant b square minus 4ac. So b minus 3 square minus 4 a c. C is 5. So minus 3 square, that is 9, minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 5 ja 40 is equal to minus 31, which is less than 0. Dear students, if d less than 0, no real roots. So the given, hence the given equation has no real roots. Your question, find the nature of roots. If the real roots exist, find them. Here, nature, discriminant less than 0. So, the given equation has no real roots. And the next question is question 2 is find the value of k so that they have two equal roots. The question, 2x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. The given equation is x square plus kx plus 3 equal to 0. Here a equal to 2, b equal to k and c equal to 3. First you find discriminant. So d equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to k square minus 4, a equal to 2 and c equal to 3 is equal to k square minus 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24. So d, that is d equal to k square minus 24. Dear students, find the value of k so that they have two equal roots. Two equal roots if discriminant equal to 0. So since the given equation has two equal roots, since d equal to 0, that is k square minus 24 equal to 0. So k square equal to 24. Therefore, k equal to under root 24. That is 4 6 are 24. So value of 24 is 4 into 6. That is 2 root 6. Since 24 equal to 4 into 6, so root 24 equal to plus minus 2 root 6. So k equal to, hence k equal to plus minus 2 root 6. And next question is Question number 4 and 5 is solved in same way. In question 3, I am going to start, and last question, question number 5. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area 400 meter square? Perimeter of rectangular park is 80 meter and area is 400. If so, find its length and breadth. Dear students, let length be x and meters and breadth be y meters. Then perimeter equal to 80 meter given. So we know that perimeter of rectangular park is 2 into length plus breadth. So length is x, breadth is y, equal to 80. So x plus y equal to 80 by 2, that is 40. So x equal to 40 minus y. Now area of rectangular park is 400 meter square. So area equal to 400 meter square, and area of rectangular park, length into breadth, that is xy equal to 400 meter square, and x equal to 40 minus y. So 40 minus y into y equal to 400. So 40 into y, 40y minus y square equal to 400. So side change, our y square minus 40y plus 400 equal to 0. Side change. So y square negative, so in right side positive, and 40y positive, so right side negative. So y square minus 40y plus 400, our y square minus 20y minus 20y plus 400 equal to 0. So y common, y minus 20, and minus 20 common, y minus 20. So y minus 20 into y minus 20 equal to 0. Therefore y equal to 20. So y equal to 20. Therefore, the given quadratic equation has two equal roots, and each root is 20 meter. So y equal to 20. So y is breadth. So hence length of rectangular part equal to length x, and x equal to 40 minus y. So length equal to 40 minus y, that is 20, and breadth equal to 20 meter. So both are equal. Length and breadth of rectangular part is 20 meter each. So dear students, your exercise 4.4 is finished, and your homework is do exercise 4.4. Thanks, have a nice day.